Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can log in into your Doordash account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order for you to log in into your Doordash account, first of all you'll have to have a account. And if you don't have a Doordash account, I've already made a previous video on how to sign up onto your Doordash account, and once you have done that, feel free to come back to this video after watching my previous video. And now finally go to www.doordash.com or any browser you want. And finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you can simply choose your local favorites, or on the top right there is going to be a sign in button right over here. As you can see, go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, it's going to take us to a Doordash login page where you can simply log in with your Facebook, your Google, or your Apple if you have already signed up with them. But if not, if you have signed up with your email and password, then you'll have to go ahead and enter your email right over here on the top tab, and then go ahead and enter your password down over here. And you simply want to click on sign in, and then your account should be signed in. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.